Welcome back to our channel. Are you tired of dealing with your computer's CPU, memory, or disk usage constantly hitting 100% and slowing down your system? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll be diving into the ultimate troubleshooting guide to fix this common issue once and for all. So, let's get started. First of all, open search box and search Windows Security, and then open it. Click on Virus and Threat Protection, and click on Quick Scan. Windows Security Quick Scan is a feature provided by Microsoft's built-in antivirus software, Windows Defender, which is designed to quickly scan your computer for malware, viruses, and other security threats that can cause 100% CPU disk and memory usage. Moving to our next step. Right-click on Start icon. Select Run and search Services.msc. Click OK. Scroll down until you find sysmain. Then right-click on sysmain and click on Properties. Then select the startup type and disable it. Click on Apply and then OK. It will stop the unnecessary CPU usage and speed up your computer system. Moving to our next step. Right-click on Start icon. Click on Run and type sysdm.cpl. Click OK. Now go to Advanced and click on Setting under Performance box. Then select the Adjust for Best Appearance. Apply and then OK. It will free unnecessary occupied the RAM size and boost the performance. Moving to our next step. Right-click on Start icon, and then click on Task Manager. Click on Startup Apps and disable all the third-party apps because it automatically starts when your computer boot up. This step can fix your 100% memory CPU and disk usage. Moving to our next step. Open this PC and free up the disk up to 30%. A full disk can cause lag and unnecessary disk usage. Moving to our next step. Again, open Run and type cleaner. Click OK and check all the options. Click OK and then delete files. It will delete all the junk and temporary files. Moving to our next step. Again, open Run and type temp. Click OK. Continue. Select all the file by pressing Ctrl+A and delete all the files. Some file will not be deleted, so don't worry about it. Moving to our next step. Again, open Run and type %temp%. Click OK. Select all the file by pressing Ctrl+A and delete all the files. Some file will not be deleted, so don't worry about it. Hope you not find this problem again. And if you find this problem again, then reinstall your Windows. And there you have it. I hope you found this video helpful in resolving the high CPU, memory, or disk usage issue on your computer. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.